everyone. So today's videos I'm gonna tell you my English journey. When I was beginner, what I was doing, I will share all the stories related to me in this video. That's watching this video till end. Then only you will able to know what type of the difficulties I face. I will share all the things, guys. So when I was a beginner, then that time I faced lots of problems for learning English language. So guys. When the corona pandemic situation came all across the India, then that time I decided for learning English language, because English language is very important for nowadays, because in sometimes you have need to give presentation in English. If you will go abroad or anywhere you will go, then you have to just give presentation, you have to just speak in front of the person in English. Because I belong from the computer science branch, so this is also necessary for me to know English language very well. So yeah, when I was in my second year, then that time I decided for that. And when I was in my college life, then that time I gave lots of presentation in front of my classmates, juniors, teachers, in front of all the persons, and also in the front of my home. When I was just practicing for my presentation, I used to just stand up in the front of mirror. Then that time I just speaking whatever I will speak in my next presentation. So I was practicing like that. And yeah, I give lots of effort, guys. That's why I'm able to speak in the front of camera with confident and comfortable. When I was beginner, then that time I also not able to just record 2 minutes videos in English, because I know that time also, but I was not comfortable and confident about that. But now I'm a comfortable. So let's start, guys, how I learn English language. What I was doing when I was a beginner. Also, I'm a beginner, but I know something advanced than when I was beginner. So let's start, guys. So when I was in second year, then that time I decided for my English practicing, because I like very much to speak English. That time I want I have to speak English language for my career, for my presentation, for my interview, anything, whatever was coming in my mind. That time I was thinking I have to learn English. I was just all the time I was thinking about that. So when the corona pandemic situation came, then that time I decided for learn English language. So somehow on that time I just woke up around 7 8 o'clock around that time. And after this that time online classes was running, so I just attend online classes when I was free, because I like evening time. I like very much evening time, because in evening time I feel very much relaxed, fresh mood, all the things, whatever I can feel for making the videos better. Then that is time for the evening time. And guys, I want to tell you one thing. I like dance very much. So evening time was for my two things. First is for my English practice, and second is for my the dance practice. So around 5 o'clock, I just every day go on roof, and I was just practicing my for my English, for my dance. So first I would like to dance that time, because dance was very close to my heart, I can say that. And also English for that time. But dance is for my the childhood, and English is when I was went to college. So that time I felt that English is very important for career. So around 5 o'clock I just go on roof. Then that time I first dance after around 30 minutes. I would like to dance every day, because that time I was not doing any exercise, because I feel very boring when I was do exercise. So that's why I decide I have to do something, because that time corona pandemic came. So I have to just maintain my fitness, all the things I have to maintain. That's why at that time I also start dancing. So after this, just after when I was dance, then 30 minutes I would like to talk with the trees, like whatever I did, like around 7 o'clock I just woke up. I share all the things with trees, with itself, just walking on roof. I share all the things whatever I did from morning to evening time. So like if I woke up around 7 o'clock, So I just speak. I woke up around 7 o'clock. Then I did this, and I have done breakfast around this time. All the things I share with the trees with itself. And in night time, when all the person in my family, like my sister, brother, and my parents, all will sleep, then that time I just close the door and just stand in the front of mirror and speak something in English. Whatever is coming in my mind, like if I watched any movie, so what happened in that movie, I just speak in front of the mirror. This was my practicing style of that time what I was doing, but now I'm doing something different. In next video, I will just share with you I am what I am doing nowadays. I will share these things also, so you can just follow me if you want. Then only, and there is no any. I'm not saying to you like follow me only for your English. If you like any person like any style of that person, then you can follow to that person. So guys, what I was telling. So yeah, evening time I was doing around 30 minutes, sometimes 1 hour, because when I was beginner I can't practice more than 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So yeah, that was my beginning state. So that was okay, but nowadays I'm just giving 2 3 hours for my English. Sometime I was just making the videos. Sometime I was talking with people in English. So that is improving my English, because I can never say this. I know all the things in English, because in English, if you learn something, then after 1 week, the new phrases, new advanced things will come. So I have to learn every day, and still I'm learning all the things. So what if I know something meaning of that, so I just that time I also used to search another meaning of that. So this is was my journey, guys. I want to tell you one thing. If you want to really learn English language, so give every day 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, how much time you can give, because English is very important for you. Don't consider English is a very tough language. Just start practicing, because if you practice, then only you will able to speak in English. So that was my English journey, guys. So just thanks for watching. Bye bye.